Nextworld provides multiple ways to search and filter data in applications. To locate specific information, many applications open in the list form and often include multiple records. Filters found on the top of each column help you set filters based on personal preference and business need. Operators vary and functionality is dependent on the type of information captured in each column. The filter in this column uses a drop-down menu. Select an option and then click outside of the area to apply the filter. Filters can easily be reset and cleared. In this type of field, type in text, then press Enter to apply the filter. A helpful tip is to use the wildcard character if the search value includes multiple numerals or letters, such as purchase order numbers. Operators allow you to define the filter parameters. This is helpful when you want to isolate records within a certain range. Once application filters are in place, select the plus sign in the top row of the list to create a saved filter. Enter a name and then save. You may create additional filters as needed. Using the Clear All icon removes all applied filters. Use the Nextworld Help menu to explore more information about this topic by searching for Search and Filter.